Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very tasty and comforting food, rather very soulful food. It is also vegan friendly. It is none other than Sindhi Curry. So let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient are some potatoes. I have one potato which I have diced into cubes like this, and a carrot which I have diced in the similar manner. Next, I have about 4 to 5 lady's finger which I have cut into small pieces. One eggplant. I am using about 1/4 of a medium sized eggplant which I have cut into cubes. Next, I have a few curry leaves, about 10 to 12 leaves. 2 green chilies finely chopped. About 1/4 inch of ginger finely chopped. And a few drumsticks. 1 tomato finely chopped. If you want, you can go for tomato puree also. Half cup of gram flour or besan. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the amount depending on your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji. 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds or sauf, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, about a tablespoon of tamarind in which I'm going to add in some water and make a pulp out of it, half teaspoon of gur or jaggery, about 2 teaspoons of coriander leaves finely chopped. So let's start cooking. For that we are going to fry a few of the vegetables initially. I have added in a little bit of oil in my pan, and to it I'm going to add in the eggplants. Fry them a little. We'll shallow fry the eggplants. I've cooked the eggplants for about 3 to 4 minutes, and as you can see they are ready to be removed now. And here are the eggplants all fried. Next, in the same pan I'm going to add in another teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to fry the lady's fingers in it for about 3 to 4 minutes in a similar fashion. It's been 3 minutes and my lady's fingers are ready to be removed. And here are the fried lady's finger and eggplants. Next, in a pan, I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using peanut oil today. I'm going to add in the spices. First goes in the cumin seeds, the mustard seeds, the fenugreek seeds, the sauf and nigella seeds, along with a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Once the spices start releasing the aroma, I'm going to add in the chickpea flour to it and cook it till it turns slightly brownish in color, or the raw flavors of the chickpea flours are gone. It will take hardly 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in the curry leaves to it, along with the chopped ginger and chopped green chilies. Give it a good mix. As you can see, the chickpea flour has started turning brown. At this point, I'm going to add in the red chili powder and turmeric powder together. Another quick mix, and I'm going to add in a cup of water. Mix it well so there are no lumps, and I'm going to gradually add in about a liter of water into this. Keep mixing so that no lumps are formed, and if you want, you can use a whisk also. Next, I'm going to add in the chopped tomatoes to it, along with the rest of the vegetables, the carrots and the potatoes and the drumsticks. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. We'll also add in the salt at this point, and I'm going to cover it and cook it till the vegetables are almost done. It's been about 7 minutes now, and I had stirred in between quite a few times. And let's check. It looks like the potatoes are nice and soft. Yes, it is soft, as you can see. Next, I'm going to add in the fried eggplants and the lady's fingers. Give it a good mix again. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes now. It's been about 3 minutes now, and our Sindhi curry looks ready. At this point, I'm going to add in the final few ingredients: the tamarind pulp and the jaggery powder. Jaggery or gur is completely optional, but I feel this enhances the flavor, adding a sweet and tangy taste to your curry. And finally, I'm going to top it up with some coriander leaves, and my Sindhi curry is ready to be served. And do not forget to check in the seasoning at this point before switching off the gas. And I'm going to switch off the gas now and serve it. My Sindhi curry is ready, and friends, you all just saw how easy it was to prepare. It is best served with some steaming hot basmati rice along with some crackers. Do try it in your kitchen and let me know how you all are enjoying it. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.